in this video, I'm going to show you how to prep your Nintendo Switch for the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to update your Nintendo Switch. So we're going to System Settings. On System Settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click right here on System Update, and you want this version. You want to 20.0.1. I'm going to click on System Update, and that's the first step. The next thing you want to do is you want to double check our cloud backups for every game. We're going to System Settings, and in System Settings, we're going to Data Management, and on Data Management, we're going to click on Save Data Cloud. And then you're going to choose the user if you have one. Then right here will be all your games, and then some games will say saved. I don't have a lot of games, as you can see, but some games, as you can see, as Fortnite, it says not supported. And as an example, if you want to transfer Fortnite to the Nintendo Switch 2, what do? We click on back, and then you're just going to click on transfer save data. You click on the A, and that's how you do it. The next thing, if you have the Nintendo Switch 2, how do you transfer everything from your Nintendo Switch to the Nintendo Switch 2 is through your Nintendo account. So what you want to make sure is left above, you want to make sure that you know the login of your Nintendo account, your username and your password, and you just want to make sure that everything right here is it's okay. Then the fourth thing is we're going to click on album, and the fourth thing is like if you have all the screenshots and videos. So right here, if you have a lot of screenshots and videos, now you can see I only have one, but maybe you have a lot. Mostly they will be stored right here if you have an SD card on an SD card. If you want to transfer all of your screenshots and videos, I will leave a link in the description, and then you will know how to do it. The fifth one is the SD card. So the Nintendo Switch, right now I don't have one, but the Nintendo Switch has a normal micro SD card. The Nintendo Switch 2 will have a micro SD express card. So it will be a different SD card than this one. The new Nintendo Switch 2 will have, instead of Nintendo Switch 1 has only like 32 gigabytes, I guess. But the Nintendo Switch 2 will have, without a SD card, 256 gigabytes. So it will have a lot more. But if you would like to have another SD card, guys, you will need to have the micro SD express card. And the sixth tip is free game upgrades for the Nintendo Switch 2. So for the Nintendo Switch 2, you have 12 games where Nintendo is releasing free updates for the Nintendo Switch. And those games are ARMS, Big Brain Academy, Captain Toad, Clubhouse Games, Game Builder Garage, The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom, The Legend of Zelda Link's Awakening, New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, Pokemon Scarlet, Pokemon Violet, Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser Fury, and the last one, Super Mario Odyssey. If you have any of these games will receive free updates for the Nintendo Switch 2 to improve the playability of the game. That's how you prep your Nintendo Switch for the Nintendo Switch 2. So I hope you liked your video. If you did, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if this worked for you. And if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.